Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I am going to open up the Fat Quarter Shop Spooky Box 2024. I've never bought one of these before, and it is heavy. So let's find out what's inside. And it says, "'Tis a season to be spooky. Limited edition 2024 Spooky Box from the Fat Quarter Shop." Oh, and as always, there's a coupon. Here's a free gift with purchase of $25 or more. Receive a Pumpkins and Potions needle minder by Kimberbell Designs with your next purchase of $25 or more. It's a value of $10.74. So I can't show you the code, so that's a good deal. And we've got the little brochure that tells everything that's in here. Okay, where do I start? Well, let's start with this. This is a Spooky Box leather rotary sheath. You can see it, and it's leather. It says, "Stow away your sharp rotary cutters with this spookily special leather rotary sheath. This durable and fashionable storage solution is made in America by the artisans at Hometown Leather Works and is decked out in an exclusive Spooky Box print. This 100% full grain leather storage sheath holds straight rotary cutters, scissors, and snips, whatever floats your ghost." And the value is $21.48. That's pretty neat. And let me see. Close it. Here's a rotary cutter. Oh, yeah. See how it holds it in there? Okay, so I have that. Then this is a beautiful bobbin topper set. 12 bobbin toppers to secure your spools and bobbins. Sorry about the noise. Cute little container. So it's a little, I think it's metal. Oop. Two lids. Oh. And these hold the bobbin into your thread. I use these all the time with my Aurifil thread. So there's a bunch of them in there. And the little jar is adorable. That's cute. What's it say about it? Beautiful bobbin toppers. These bobbin toppers are as useful as they are beautiful. Made of flexible silicone, the set of 12 bobbin toppers keeps your spools and bobbins together, making it easy to keep your bobbins from bobbing away. The cute storage tin is printed with a frightful, exclusive Spooky Box print. And the value of this is $6.98. Let's look at this. This is rickrack thread. A little hard to open. There. Okay, this is Pumpkin Large Vintage Trim by Lori Holt of Bee in My Bonnet. And it says, "Don't forget to add a bewitching touch to your next quilt with this large vintage trim by Lori Holt of Bee in My Bonnet Company. In this shade of pumpkin, there are 12 yards of half-inch wide trim to sew wherever you like, between the quilt rows, accented in quilt blocks, or layered into the binding. It's not so scary to add embellishments after all. And the value of this is $21.97. And this is wood. So that is really cute. And what we got next? Hey, this, of course, I can't read the writing on there, and I just got my eyes checked today, so I don't need new glasses this year. What is it? Not the trim. It's not that. Not that. Oh, here it is. Pumpkins and Potions. That quarter bundle. Oh, this is a bonus. This is it's a candle. Jack in the Lantern candle by Big Dipper Waxworks. And the value of this is $7.98. Smells good. I don't know if it smells like pumpkin. It smells good. So this was a bonus. Now, let's get down to the fabric. Ooh, look at that. Fabric is the best part. This is called Maywood Studio Kimberbell Pumpkins and Potions. 9 fat quarters. See, beautiful fabrics. They're cute. And it says, Golds, Cauldrons, and Witches. Oh my, the Pumpkins and Potions fabric collection by Kimberbell Designs is simply irresistible. The fantastic Halloween-inspired collection is filled with bubbling cauldrons, ominous black cats, and creepily smiling pumpkins, all paired with classic orange and black hues. With an assortment of all 9 prints in the line, Halloween is never spoofed better. The value of this, $30.98. Might as well open them. Look at that. All those little potions and everything. That's cute. Then we have this tan background with little black cats, ghosts, and pumpkins. That's cute. An orange blender. It has pumpkins, little pumpkins on it. This is an orange print. And it has all kinds of things. It's got the 31st on there, and then it's got cats, hats, a nice little print. Another orange, a little deeper color, a little deeper, and there's ghosts, cats, pumpkins. This one's really cute. I like that. This one is the same as the other one, the other smaller print, but with a black background. That one's cute. I like the black background. And Here is the same fabric I showed you in the beginning with all the little apothecary labels and stuff like that. And also a black blender. There's little pumpkins on it, but this is great to use as a blender. So that's 9 fabrics. I like that. What else we got? Ooh, candy corn. We have a candy corn template. See if I can find it. I'm not doing very good finding this stuff. Oh, there it is. Candy corn, triangle and a square template. Oh, it's a triangle and a square. I like making that type of a block. Trick or treat, give us something good to complete for our next quilt. Don't be afraid to try out the candy corn acrylic template. With clear markings and easy instructions, you can make all the triangle and the square units you need for any project in a variety of sizes. Sew strips together for candy corn, quilt blocks, and of course it lends a haunting hand in the witchy manner quilt pattern in this box. The value of this, $9.98. Anxious to try that out. And here is the pattern. Witchy Manor quilt pattern. See it? Oh, this is cute. So it says, this treat-worthy quilt will haunt your quilting dreams in the best way. The Witchy Manor quilt will bewitch you with its classic triangles topped with a star-filled witch hat house for the supernatural. Brew it with the pumpkins and potions fat quarter bundle and the candy corn triangle in a square template for a fantastic finish. And the value of the pattern is $9.98. So there are all kinds of blocks in here. Might have to make that. My daughter loves Halloween things, so I think she would enjoy that. So I hope you subscribe and follow me for other unboxings. Thanks.